Nowadays, it is hard to imagine not having online maps or GPS at our fingertips.
Soon we will have similar sentiments towards digital twins.
Digital twins are the evolution of spatial data, offering us realistic, up-close, and smarter access to our environments. Soon it will be hard to imagine not knowing everything about our indoor spaces, such as space allocation, real-time asset locations, and environmental conditions.
Setting up warnings and tasks will be second nature.
The digital twin will be the entry and integration platform for our existing systems, such as ERP, facility management, digital health, indoors GIS, and much more. Imagine turning simple sensors into smart IoT devices without writing code.
Imagine going beyond understanding space to changing it through tasks and commands, automated and verified through smart devices.
Or don't imagine, simply start using your digital twin today.